Welcome to Intelligent Kids channel.
I need help.
I need help.
I need water.
I need water.
I need food.
I need food.
I need sleep.
I need sleep.
I need money.
I need money.
I need time.
I need time.
I need a break.
I need a break.
I need a doctor.
I need a doctor.
I need a job.
I need a job.
I need a hug.
I need a hug.
I need rest.
I need rest.
I need a nap.
I need a nap.
I need advice.
I need advice.
I need support.
I need support.
I need a friend.
I need a friend.
I need fresh air.
I need fresh air.
I need a vacation.
I need a vacation.
I need a pen.
I need a pen.
I need a notebook.
I need a notebook.
I need my phone.
I need my phone.
I need some peace.
I need some peace.
I need a jacket.
I need a jacket.
I need a ride.
I need a ride.
I need coffee.
I need coffee.
I need breakfast.
I need breakfast.
I need a new book.
I need a new book.
I need to study.
I need to study.
I need to relax.
I need to relax.
I need to think.
I need to think.
I need to leave.
I need to leave.
I need to call her.
I need to call her.
I need to focus.
I need to focus.
I need to work.
I need to work.
I need to clean.
I need to clean.
I need to cook.
I need to cook.
I need to eat.
I need to eat.
I need to listen.
I need to listen.
I need to exercise.
I need to exercise.
I need to sleep early.
I need to sleep early.
I need to buy groceries.
I need to buy groceries.
I need to learn English.
I need to learn English.
I need to write this down.
I need to write this down.
I need to go home.
I need to go home.
I need to finish this.
I need to finish this.
I need to talk to you.
I need to talk to you.
I need to be alone.
I need to be alone.
I need to get ready.
I need to get ready.
I need to take a shower.
I need to take a shower.
I need to wash my hands.
I need to wash my hands.
I need to charge my phone.
I need to charge my phone.
I need to be patient.
I need to be patient.
I need to be strong.
I need to be strong.
I need to smile more.
I need to smile more.
I need to stop worrying.
I need to stop worrying.
I need to breathe deeply.
I need to breathe deeply.
I need to stretch.
I need to stretch.
I need to stay positive.
I need to stay positive.
I need to finish my homework.
I need to finish my homework.
I need to check my email.
I need to check my email.
I need to apologize.
I need to apologize.
I need to tell the truth.
I need to tell the truth.
I need to practice more.
I need to practice more.
I need to change my clothes.
I need to change my clothes.
I need to follow the rules.
I need to follow the rules.
I need to walk my dog.
I need to walk my dog.
I need to call my parents.
I need to call my parents.
I need to book a ticket.
I need to book a ticket.
I need to check the weather.
I need to check the weather.
I need to save money.
I need to save money.
I need to buy new shoes.
I need to buy new shoes.
I need to water the plants.
I need to water the plants.
I need to pack my bags.
I need to pack my bags.
I need to learn to cook.
I need to learn to cook.
I need to visit the doctor.
I need to visit the doctor.
I need to write a letter.
I need to write a letter.
I need to take my medicine.
I need to take my medicine.
I need to believe in myself.
I need to believe in myself.
I need to be happy.
I need to be happy.
Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, subscribe Intelligent Kids channel. Don't forget to like and share the video.